Welcome to the best picks. The best art kits is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to spark creativity in children, offering a diverse range of materials and projects that can captivate young minds for hours on end, fostering imagination and developing fine motor skills through hands-on exploration and artistic expression. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized statement piece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and charming accessories, you can peel, stick, and decorate to create something truly magical. This kit has everything for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a water bottle, unicorn charms, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique gift. It's fun, creative, and practical, making it a perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for small hands, and cleaning is a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, these bottles are designed with your child's safety in mind. They are rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards. Our craft kits promote creativity while encouraging hydration. It's a wonderful way for kids to express themselves and stay refreshed. What we like. This kit offers a unique way to personalize a functional item. If you're looking for a craft that results in a usable accessory, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for kids who love unicorns and want to express their style while staying hydrated. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials like glitter, googly eyes, and pipe cleaners, offering endless creative possibilities. My child spent hours engaged with the different craft projects, developing fine motor skills and imagination. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for younger children with minimal adult supervision. Number 4. ZMLM Rainbow Scratch Paper Art Crafts. Discover a world of color and imagination with our magical scratch paper art kit. It's perfect for sparking creativity in young artists. This all-in-one kit includes everything needed for hours of artistic exploration. You'll find magic scratch paper, wooden styluses, and colorful stencils. Encourage your child's imagination and fine motor skills with this fun art activity. It's a wonderful way to develop hand-eye coordination and color recognition. Just scratch away the black coating to reveal vibrant rainbow colors underneath. Use the included stencils to create unique and fun designs. These art supplies are ideal for party favors, travel entertainment, and creative expression. They make fantastic gifts for birthdays and holidays. Beyond creating beautiful artworks, this scratch paper is great for writing notes, making greeting cards, or even as a fun way to de-stress. What we like. Unleash vibrant creativity with this mess-free art supply. If you want an engaging activity that requires no cleanup and sparks imagination, this is it. It's ideal for travel, classroom activities, or simply a quiet afternoon of artistic exploration. What people say. This is a great starter kit for kids who are interested in arts and crafts. It comes with a variety of materials and tools that are perfect for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it a fun and engaging activity for children. Number 3. WATINC 6PCS Hand Puppet Making Kit. Discover a complete DIY hand puppet craft kit designed for endless fun. This all-in-one set provides everything you need to create unique puppets, fostering hours of creative play and artistic expression. This educational toy is designed to promote brain development and creative thinking in kids. Through hands-on activities, children enhance their imagination, concentration, and fine motor skills while building social skills through interactive play. These projects are easy, safe, and incredibly fun, providing endless indoor activity for kids. Children will love creating their own puppets and engaging in imaginative play, fostering family fun and bonding. An excellent birthday gift or holiday present, this kit is perfect for various occasions. It doubles as a great educational toy and teaching aid, encouraging learning through crafts. With multiple unfinished puppets and included decorations, kids can customize their own designs. This arts and crafts activity sparks imaginative play and allows children to express their creativity while developing practical skills. The easy-to-use materials make it an ideal educational craft for home or classroom use. It encourages problem-solving and cooperative play, making learning fun and engaging for toddlers and preschoolers. What we like. Bring characters to life with this hands-on puppet making experience. If you're seeking a craft that encourages imaginative play and storytelling, this kit is perfect. It's great for developing fine motor skills and fostering interactive fun for siblings or friends. What people say. This is a great starter kit for kids interested in arts and crafts. It includes a good variety of materials and tools for different projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. Number 2. Cool Maker Shimmer Me Body Art Roller. Unleash your inner artist with this all-in-one kit. Create endless, dazzling temporary body art with high-quality materials for show-stopping results. Applying body art is a breeze with the roller. The skin-safe adhesive lasts approximately 24 hours and removes easily with warm water, making it fun and mess-free. With 180 trendy double-sided stickers, your child can mix and match to create unique body art. It showcases their personality and encourages self-expression. Includes 4 eye-catching foils in silver, gold, pink, purple, and rainbow for a variety of stunning looks. Each cartridge ensures endless artistic possibilities. Express your style with this fun craft kit. It's a great addition to other cool maker toys and DIY craft kits for hours of creative play. What we like. Create dazzling, temporary body art with ease and style. If you love to express yourself with sparkly, eye-catching designs, this is the ultimate kit. It's perfect for parties, dress up, or any occasion where a touch of shimmer is desired. What people say. This is a great starter kit for kids interested in crafts. It includes a good variety of materials and clear instructions. My child spent hours engaged with this kit, which was wonderful to see. Number 1. 24 Colors Air Dry Modeling Clay Kit. This air dry clay kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 24 vibrant colors, a project booklet, shaping tools, and fun accessories. Keep your little ones entertained for hours. This sculpting clay helps boost creativity, develop motor skills, and enhance hand-eye coordination through sensory play. Enjoy a stress-free crafting experience. It's soft to the touch, non-messy, and air dries naturally, making art projects a breeze. Looking for a great gift? This modeling clay kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays, offering endless creative possibilities for kids aged 3 to 12. Forget the oven. This clay air dries naturally within 24 to 48 hours, making it a convenient choice for school projects, art classes, or family craft time. With 24 different colors, the creative potential is limitless. Let their imagination run wild as they mold and shape their own unique creations. What we like. Dive into a world of colorful creations with this versatile modeling clay. If you're looking for an activity that keeps kids engaged for hours and requires no special equipment, this is it. It's perfect for developing motor skills and bringing imaginative sculptures to life. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials like glitter, googly eyes, and pipe cleaners, offering endless creative possibilities. My child spent hours engaged with this kit, developing fine motor skills and imagination. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for younger children with minimal adult supervision. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.